This is an introduction into one of our new ambient lighting range. It's been painted and designed by Style Free Unlimited. As you can see, this is a chrome strip. Elegant and beautiful. But what it does do is give you what we call beautiful ambient lighting. No glare, no bright light, just very subtle, very beautiful lighting. You have so many colors to choose from. Personalize it. There's a color to suit everybody's mood, needs, occasion. And you can put it anywhere in the house. Bathroom is completely waterproof. You can put it in the kitchen, the bathroom, bedrooms, children's rooms, and give them that lovely ambient lighting at night. Doesn't get hot. No danger of it getting hot. But more importantly, it just gives that beautiful light source and will continue to give you beautiful ambient lighting for many years to come. What you can see there is a chrome strip. But this strip is available in a multitude of colours. Not only chrome, so it comes in red, green, blue, white, and quite a few other colours as well. But the beautiful thing is that it blends in beautifully in any surroundings. And looking at it, you won't even know that there is a light behind it, which is the beauty of it. Never seen before in the UK or anywhere else in the world. They're designed by us here at Style Free Unlimited in London.